Hi everyone, my name is Putuna Dea Aisarasita S. You can call me Dea. Today I will introduce you one of the tourist attraction in Bali, that is Jatiluwe. Jatiluwe is a village located in Penebel Subdistrict, Tapan Regency, Bali, Indonesia. Jatiluwe is a tourist village with beautiful terrace rice field. The area is about 636 hectares and height 700 meters above sea level. The Jatiluwe rice terraces is the best example of Bali's outstanding picturesque rice fields, and represent the Subak system as Bali's cultural landscape, which has been inscribed as a UNESCO's World Heritage Site in June 2012. One of the factors that made Jatiluwe Subak designated as a UNESCO Cultural Heritage is the red Bali rice, a local rice variety grown there. The village is a major producer of brown rice. The color, smell, and taste of the rice is quite different because it doesn't use pesticides. When visiting there, brown rice and brown rice tea are typical souvenirs of Jatiluwe village. The right time to visit this tourist attraction is in the morning and afternoon. It opens at 8:30 a.m. and you can come at that time because the sun was not too scorching. Instead, the light was healthy. You can enjoy the warmth of the morning sun while enjoying the beautiful scenery. The afternoon is also the right moment to visit. At this time, you can feel the wind blowing, which carries the distinctive aroma of rice plants. Waiting for the sun to set on the west, which slowly descends while leaving an orange glow in the sky. There were some farmers who come home from the fields with baskets full of grass on their shoulders. Enjoy the beauty of Jatiluwe while eating culinary at the edge of the rice field. Usually, these cafes and restaurants provide gazebos areas with views of the rice fields. Of course, it will be very fun watching the natural scenery while enjoying typical Balinese coffee. You can also enjoy views of rivers, temples, or people's houses. You can use a bicycle or rent a Volkswagen car to get around the rice fields of Jatiluwe. If you want to stay there, you will always enjoy the cool air and the beautiful natural scenery. To enjoy the most enchanting natural scenery of Jatiluwe, you can visit throughout February to April, because in these months, the rice stalks begin to grow, and you will be able to see the expanse of yellowish-green rice fields. Meanwhile, if you want to experience harvesting, you can come in June. During this time, you will be able to see farmers harvesting their crops. To get the beauty and view of Jatiluwe village, we only need to spend 15,000 rupiah for local tourists and 40,000 rupiah for foreign tourists. The distance to go to Jatiluwe is about 40 kilometers from Denpasar, or about 2 hours drive away. All I can say about Jatiluwe. Hopefully, It will be useful for those of you who want to vacation there. Thank you for your attention and have a nice day.